Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking your environment and choosing a target platform because reproducibility prevents weird runtime bugs. Once done, create a clear entry point and minimal config, then initialize your packager like Pi installer or briefcase. Make sure to export requirements and test import paths. This avoids mysterious missing module errors. You'll also select build settings, single file versus directory, debug symbols, and assets. These choices affect distribution size and startup time, so pick defaults you can iterate on quickly. You now refactor core code to fit the app model, replace blocking CLI loops with event-driven handlers, or add a sync to long tasks because responsiveness matters. Once refactored, abstract file system and secret handling so the same code runs on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, or mobile. Make sure to include static assets and native extensions in your build spec. Then run integrated tests and a local packaged build. This catches linkage and permission issues early and lets you iterate on installer experience and startup performance. You complete the process by generating signed installers or app bundles and verifying installs on fresh systems. This prevents hidden dev environment assumptions. Once packaged, run the app through smoke tests and real user flows and collect logs for runtime failures. If something breaks, reproduce the bug on a minimal VM or container to isolate missing dependencies or platform-specific code. Finally, iterate on packaging flags and dependency pins until builds are stable, and automate the pipeline so you don't repeat manual steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.